we're gonna do one more, then I'm done for tonight. Bro, I gotta be up at 3:30 in the morning, and it's 10:47 right now. Well, if it's S1, will you guys shut up? No, we're doing S1. S1. It was about to land on B, but I decided no. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing as usual, but this time we don't have spooled, so it's gonna be Master Duck first. Master Duck, you get a... Okay, do you own... Okay, this is a DLC car, but do you own the Jaguar XJ220X? Okay, reroll. Okay, you got a... Okay, do you own this? It's the Ferrari 512S. It is in the auto show. Alright, reroll! No! You get an LFA. How about that, Master Duck? You get an LFA. Kind Red, you get a Porsche Carrera GT. Tank, you get the... Oh god. You get the number 23 Porsche 917 from 1971. Yeah, it's a Porsche. It's a number 23 917. Oh, let's find out, Dorf. Let's see what you get. Drum roll. You get the Formula Drift Nissan 370Z. All right, and let's see what. And I get the Acura NSX. Let's see how bad I butcher this. Yeah, the 370. Yeah. Alright, so everyone's happy with their cars and no one's extraordinarily mad. No. No, but you can use appeal. Alright. If you could somehow make it S1, that would be even better. How about next round we do D-class cars and then you upgrade it as max as you can. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna... What? How is this thing S1? No, S2. How is this thing S2? I didn't even do anything. Gotta put... No, crappy rims, crappy rims, crappy rims. This thing weighs 3,000 pounds, so hopefully it isn't a boat. I need to get, like, the actual most dog crap paint job on this thing ever. I want to get the worst possible paint job for this thing. No, I got a better idea. I'm gonna give it rust. Or should I do the Hot Wheels brown? It looks like a turd. It looks like... I gotta put the Hot Wheels brown rims. I gotta have a brown tint on my window. Gotta get the brake. I gotta make sure that the brakes are also that beautiful crap color. We can color this too. Yes. Alright, so I got my literal turd on wheels. It's Mr. Hankey's car. Does that tell me when everyone has their cars ready so we can do Cathedral? Because I want to see the PO actually have a chance here.
Oh, hell no!
Alright, I'm starting the event. No! Because it is. Alright, so instead of doing what we did last time with the tropical storm, we're gonna instead, alright, I wish. We're gonna do it in the middle of the night with fog. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Very short. And it's Cathedral. Alright, so, here's our track. Now tell me how this looks. Alright, tell me.
Brother,
How this looks. where's Tank? One, two, three. Alright, go. I didn't even hit you! It wasn't me! I think we're gonna lap the pool. I think we're lapping the field with this. He just made it off the street. What the? I hit it! What? Oh god.
hello there.
We're having people still clicking on the page. So I'm gonna have to let 2 more people in. No way am I actually gonna win a race because everyone else got screwed over. Yay!